Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. Today's our video topic is important works and their publishing dates related to contemporary period. Let's start. Novel on Yellow Paper by Stevie Smith, published in 1936. Cats in Color by Stevie Smith, published in 1960. Literary Lapses by Stephen Leacock, published in 1910. Sunshine Sketches of a Little Town, published by Stephen Leacock in 1912. Arcadian Adventures with the Idle Rich by Stephen Leacock, published in 1914. The Boy I Left Behind Me by Stephen Leacock, published in 1946. Elements of Political Science by Stephen Leacock, published in 1906. North by James Heaney, published in 1975. Death of a Naturalist by James Heaney, published in 1966. Human Chain by James Heaney, published in 2010. The Hawk in the Rain by Ted Hughes, published in 1957. The North Ship by Philip Larkin, published in 1945. The Less Deceived by Philip Larkin, published in 1955. The Whitsun Weddings by Philip Larkin, published in 1946. High Windows by Philip Larkin, published in 1974. Lord of Flies by William Golding, published in 1954. Rites of Passage by William Golding, published in 1980. The Inheritors by William Golding, published in 1955. Pincher Martin by William Golding, published in 1956. The Brass Butterfly by William Golding, published in 1957. Students, as you know, few days are left for your exam, so well prepare with a concentration mind. Don't feel demotivated. Always motivate yourself and keep revision and keep practice. The Human Factor by Graham Greene, published in 1978. The Heart of the Matter by Graham Greene, published in 1948. The Power and the Glory by Graham Greene, published in 1940. The Golden Notebook by Doris Lessing, published in 1962. Animal Farm by George Orwell, published in 1945. 1984 by George Orwell, published in 1949. Burmese Days by George Orwell, published in 1934. Coming Up for Air by George Orwell, published in 1939. Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie, published in 1981. The Satanic Verses by Salman Rushdie, published in 1988. The Golden House by Salman Rushdie, published in 2017. The Mystic Mysore by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1957. The Suffrage of Elvira by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1958. A House for Mr. Viswas by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1961. The Mimic Man by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1967. in a Free State by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1971. A Bend in the River by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1979. Students, these all are important works of these writers, so learn it properly with their dates, publishing dates, not written dates, publishing dates. The Enigma of Arrival. The Enigma of Arrival by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1987. Half a Life by V.S. Naipaul, published in 2001. Magic Seeds by V.S. Naipaul, published in 2004. Miguel State by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1959. An Area of Darkness by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1964. Students, if you understand this video, then like and share, subscribe now. Thank you.